Shoe prints are often collected in the crime scene and may provide valuable evidence for investigations. There are three types of shoe print evidence that is important during collection of evidence, and pattern means easily recognizable, which evidence occurs from shoe print tracks through substances such as soil, dirt, blood, or paint. Plastic shoe print is a three-dimensional evidence, occurs when shoes are sink or when there is force applied into a soft surface such as mud or snow. Lastly, latent shoe print is an invisible evidence that occurs on flat surfaces such as human skins, glass, or woods that cannot be seen through naked eye. On the previous week, a young woman was walking back home alone when she was strangled to death. However, there were no other evidences that led us to the identification of the murderer except for shoe.
For evidence collection, forensic investigators use a high-resolution photograph and lifters for evidence from different shoe print types. Gelatin lifter used to penetrate the dust particles, scatter the light, and present a clear visible light gray, while electrostatic lifter use 10,000 volt electric current to draw the dust particles to the film when electrostatic adhesions are created. For adhesive lifter, with BPB solution, it will react with dust by changing its color into blue and show a high degree association of the shoe print content. The image of the print evidence will be compared to the model of shoe print from the database such as Solmat FPX, which is an automated shoe print database that considers 4 types of parameters such as size, pattern, damage, and design. While to identify the class or individual group of the shoe print, holistic technique, which involve flow retrieval from sole print, or a modified face-only correlation technique are used. For classification of a new shoe mark, it will be carried out using nearest measurement on the Euclidean distance.
In this case, the footwear in shoe imprints is being observed because the victim's skin is found outside of the shoe from the suspect's house. There is a high probability that both of the shoes are worn by the same person based on the observation that match the barefoot impression. The pyrolysis product of the sample is being determined by data analysis in real-time mass spectrometry. The process of the pyrolysis of the sample is done with a temperature gradient. The chemical information of polyacrylonitrate is obtained. This result proves that the sample is identical with the suspect's shoe that is made from carbon fiber.
Expert opinion. The case is about a woman who was strangled to death. From the crime scene, only shoe prints were found. Different types of lifters are used to collect the shoe print. Only outsole analysis can be done because insole analysis requires the shoe itself. With this, we can determine the size, pattern, damage, and design of shoe. Once we have the information of the culprit's shoe print, it is then given to investigators as a way to guide them to find the culprit.